In the shadows of an escalating conflict, a revelation that will shake the world is about to unfold. For years, rumors have circulated about the involvement of the Russian Air Force in Ukraine. Today, we bring you the truth. The Russian Air Force's mission in Ukraine goes beyond what anyone could have imagined. They are deploying advanced stealth technology, pushing the boundaries of modern warfare. We will take you inside the Russian Air Force's state-of-the-art arsenal, unmatched by any other air force in the world. From cutting-edge fighter jets to long-range bombers, their aerial prowess is unparalleled. I couldn't believe my eyes. The Russian jets appeared out of nowhere, striking with precision. Their ability to operate in hostile environments with such stealth and efficiency is a game-changer. But what is the true purpose of this secret mission? Is it just a show of force or something more sinister? So what's this top-secret mission all about? Reports indicated that the Russian drones employed in these airstrikes were unlike anything seen before. These highly sophisticated unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, possessed revolutionary technology, making them virtually undetectable by Ukrainian air defenses. Equipped with advanced stealth capabilities and cutting-edge sensors, they maneuvered with exceptional precision, allowing them to evade radar and infrared systems. As the operation unfolded, the success of these drones became increasingly evident. They launched devastating airstrikes against Ukrainian tanks, artillery positions, and even targeted aircraft, causing significant damage and leaving the Ukrainian military reeling. The precision and effectiveness of these attacks were awe-inspiring, showcasing the power and potential of modern drone warfare. The utilization of such advanced drones by the Russian Air Force marked a watershed moment in contemporary military strategies. It highlighted Russia's willingness to leverage state-of-the-art technologies to gain a significant advantage on the battlefield. This demonstration of prowess reverberated throughout the international community, as nations took note of Russia's military capabilities and the implications they carried for future conflicts. The success of these drones in executing airstrikes is simply mind-blowing. They have managed to obliterate Ukrainian tanks, artillery, and even aircraft, leaving their adversaries reeling. This use of drones by the Russian Air Force marks a significant milestone in modern warfare. It demonstrates Russia's willingness to employ cutting-edge technologies in its military endeavors. Moreover, it showcases Russia's fearlessness in targeting well-defended Ukrainian military assets. Join us as we unveil the untold story behind the Russian Air Force's top-secret mission in Ukraine. Prepare to be astonished. Don't miss our next video. Subscribe now for more exclusive insights into global affairs. Share this video and stay tuned for the truth that will leave you speechless.